Hello students, myself Sureka Surve. Last period we have completed the topic of behind and in front of. And now we will begin with the topic above and below. Okay. Now first we will begin with the meaning of above and below. Okay. Above means the object which is placed on top of another object. Again I will repeat, the object which is placed on top of another object. इसका मतलब क्या है? Object means the thing. कोई भी चीज एक which is placed on top, मतलब top मतलब ऊपर रखी हुई रहती है दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट पे, उसे कहते हैं above. Now let's go to the below. Below means the object which is placed under another object. Means कोई भी चीज किसी भी चीज के नीचे रखी हुई रहती है, उसे कहते हैं below. Okay children, I hope you have understood what is above and below. Now I will make it more clear by showing the example on the blackboard. Okay. Now this is the bat and this is the ball. And here line is drawn. Okay. Now you have to tell me which object is above the line and which object is below the line. Okay. By looking at this picture, it is understood that bat is above the line and ball is below the line. So we will write here by marking the arrow above and here below. Okay children. Now I will show you some images for you of above and below. Fine children? Okay. Above and below is the position of the object or thing where it is kept. Here are some examples of above and below showing their positions. Now children, in this picture the cat is sitting on the chair. Okay. And the mouse is there below the chair. Okay children. Now which animal you see above the chair? Cat. And which animal is below the chair? Mouse. Okay children. Yeah. Fine. Now let's move to the next example. Yes. Now your tree is there and above the tree bird is there and below the tree cat is there. Okay. Moving to the third example. Now here two children are there and they are playing in the park. Okay. There is an apple tree and one boy is sitting on the ladder and one boy is standing there. Okay. Now which boy is above here? The boy who is sitting on the ladder. He is above the ladder. And which boy is below? The boy which is below the ladder. Okay. Fine. Next example. Now here the clown is there and in the one hand of the clown balloon is there and below the clown ball is there. Okay. Next example, tree is there. One monkey you can see above the tree and the one monkey is below the tree. Fine children? Okay. Now we will move to the text. Now this is our Maths Balbharti textbook above and below, page number 3. Page number 3. Okay. Now here some examples are given. We will go one by one. Now children, in this first example two trees are there. Okay. And your monkeys are there. The monkey is sitting in the first tree. The monkey is sitting above the tree and in the next tree example the monkey is sitting below the tree. And the question is asked, circle the monkey sitting below the tree. Now in this picture, which monkey is sitting below the tree? Yes, here. So we have to circle the monkey. Okay. Next. Now this is the picture the vehicle. You have to circle the vehicle above the bridge. This is the bridge, black color. And here the train is going on the bridge. Okay. Now, what you see above the bridge here? Train. And below the bridge, this man is going on the scooty. Okay. But they have asked here, we have to circle the vehicle above the bridge. Above the bridge, which vehicle is there? Yes, train. So we have to circle here. Fine. Now the next example. Now here what question is asked? Circle the object below the lamp. See the picture of the lamp here. And on the table cup is there. Okay. But what the question is asked? The question is asked, you have to circle the lamp. Below the lamp. Below the lamp, exactly what it is? Cup. Understood? So we have to circle the cup. Now next examples I will show you with other question. Okay. Now your question is asked, put one dot for above the bridge. Put two dots for below the bridge. Okay. Now above the bridge aeroplane is there and below the bridge boat is there. Okay. What question is asked here? We have to put one dot above the bridge. Above the bridge what is there? Aeroplane. So we will put here one dot. Okay. Put two dots for below the bridge. Below the bridge what is there? Boat. So we will put here two dots. Okay. Next example. Take the one below the tree. Cross the one above the tree. Okay. Now your tree is there. Above the tree crow is there. And below the tree squirrel is there. Okay children. What the question asks? Take the one below the tree. Below the tree which animal you see? Squirrel. So what you have to do? You have to pick. Okay. And cross the one above the tree. So above the tree crow is there. So you have to cross. Fine children. Okay. Now we will revise above and below again for you. Okay. So it will be more clear for you. Look at the circles and answer the questions. Okay. Look at the circles and answer the questions. Here some alphabets I have written in the circle for you. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay. And some questions I have asked here. You have to read the question and answer the questions. Okay. First question begin. Which circle is above the F circle? Okay. We have to observe here. Where is the F alphabet? Here. And above F which alphabet is there? A. Okay. So A is above F. Fine children. Which circle is below the B circle? Where is the alphabet B? Yes. Below B what is there? G. Understood? Which circle is above the H circle? H. Above the H circle. H circle is here. So above H C alphabet is there. Okay. Which circle is below the D circle? Below D circle, which circle is there? I circle. Which circle is above the J circle? Above the J circle, E circle is there. So, I hope children you have understood the concept of above and below. Okay. Now, again we will revise these meanings. Okay. Above means the object which is placed on top of another object. Below means the object which is placed under another object. Okay. Anything which is above, we call it above. ऊपर है वो above है. Whichever thing is below, मतलब नीचे, that is below. Understood? Fine. Okay. Now children, see these examples. Go through these examples. Okay. Now see your monkey below, above. See your train above bridge and your scooty is below the bridge. Lamp is above the table And below the lamp, what is there? Cup is there. Okay. Same examples here. Above the bridge, aeroplane is there. And below, boat is there. Above the tree, crow is there. And below, squirrel is there. Fine, children. Now this is the worksheet. Go through it. And I will give you the one more worksheet exercise for you. Fine. Thank you.